Hey friends, welcome back to my Shorty Art Journal series. I have been traveling and working and busy, and so it's been almost a month since I put out a video. But I have like 4 or 5 layouts actually already ready to go edited. I just have to do voiceovers, and so I promise they won't take as long this time. So if you're new here, I use composition notebooks to make art journals, and this one happens to be a half-size one. And I'm just picking out some metallic paint colors to start out with and taking a sponge. These are like cosmetic wedge sponges and just smush it around the page. Okay, I try not to talk just to ramble, so if I'm just showing you something that's very obvious, then I don't talk, I just play music. So here is I use this as a stencil a lot. This is actually the packaging material that my Zip Fizz came in. So I just love dots and circles, so I am just taking black paint and just kind of randomly, like I'll skip one and do a series of a couple in a row. And so I'm just going to move it around the page and wherever my heart's desire. Okay, I just love using like found things to use in my art journal. Anytime I've got extra wet paint, I like to just smush it onto another page because I figure that's just kind of like not wasting it. And then I have this little journal that I keep all my quotes in that I find, and then I'm going to weave it in and out of the dots. So all of the paints that I'm using are acrylic based as well as the Posca markers. And yeah, just, like having a black and white Posca marker of like the skinny ones and then the medium size ones is really kind of a go-to product to have on hand because you can use it on anything. All right, so my quote is, "You live most of your life inside your head. Make sure it's a nice place to be." I like putting a lot of like just little reminders to choose to have a positive mindset, and because I just think that determines so much of your happiness in life is your mindset. There are so many ways to build a page and different processes, and that's what I really love about doing this is that like you don't really have to think 5 steps ahead. You just kind of like do it one step at a time. So I'm going to kind of fill in some of the negative space to just create a different effect so that all my little doodles that are already there, I just work around. Okay, and it's also a work in progress because like I realized that took the black all the way to the edge on the rest of the page. So now I'm like going to make that consistent with the little doodles pockets that I started with. So yeah, a lot of like this whole process is just kind of making it up as you go. Okay, now that I've created kind of a different dimension with a black background, now I'm going to use another color to outline it. So I love that you can just layer on top of the paint, you know, the Posca on top of acrylic paint. It's so easy. And I don't even know what the outcome's going to be. I just picked up a green marker and thought, okay, I'm just going to outline the edges of the black pockets. And yeah, I'm liking the way it's looking. My pages tend to be pretty busy rather than having like one main focal point, but that's okay because I don't mind. And they're my pages. Okay, so when in doubt, make dots. That's my motto. I like dots. Okay, so this is the end of my page. What do you think? I love using the metallic paints because I love being able to look at my page from different directions and have it shiny. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my process and hanging out with me. I hope that you will come back and hang out with me again. Make sure you do all that YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, you know, the things. And I hope that you have a blessed day. Go make some art. Oh, I almost forgot to put up my recipe card here. So you can take a screenshot or I will put a download in the notes below. See you soon.